Hi, everyone. Ask yourself, are you struggling with prioritizing deals you should focus on today? Does your pipeline look overwhelming to you and the team? If the answer is yes, this video will definitely be helpful. Just take a look at this board. You have to spend time visually scanning this pipeline to know which deals to prioritize. You need to digest the information on the board instead of being focused on closing deals. But hold on. You don't have to struggle anymore. Meet the colored tags for deals. Now it looks much better, doesn't it? Today, I'll show you how to set up these tags and customize them in order to categorize deal cards in your pipelines. To do that, go to Settings, find Deal Pipeline Configuration, and click Customize Deal Tags. Here is an overview board where you can find all tags set up in your HubSpot account and their pipeline assignment. Click Add Tag. Let's create sample yellow tag for demonstration called Luxury and assign it to Cars Dealership Pipeline. Enter the name, select the color, and choose the pipeline to assign. You can apply the tag to all pipelines or select a specific one from drop-down. The next step is to add filters for when the deal tag should be applied. You can set up any condition based on deal properties. In this case, I want to add 2 filter groups for applying this tag to deals. Deal amount is greater than or equal to $130,000 in car years after 2010 or the car make is one of the listed here. Click Review Tag. Here you can check all the settings configured for the tag, name, description, color, pipeline, filters. If everything is okay, click Save. You can see that the newly created tag appeared on this overview board. You can also filter tags by pipeline assignment so that you can see tags applied only to a particular pipeline. Here I'd like to note a few things. You can have a maximum of 10 deal tags per HubSpot account independently of pipeline assignment. Deal tags can be created and edited only by super admins. Applying to specific pipelines is only available on Sales Professional or Enterprise subscriptions. Once created, deal tags will appear on the applicable deal cards in board view and can be added as a column in list view. Users can edit their individual views to show only deals with specific tags by filtering their deals by tags. They also can choose to show or hide all deal tags in a view. Let's check this out. Go to Deals. Click on Board View. Select the pipeline. And here you are. You can see our new tag applied to deal cards. You can show or hide tags on this view by moving to Board Actions, Edit Cards, and clicking on Display Tags checkbox. Don't forget to save your choice. Also, you can filter deal cards by tags so that you can display only deals with particular tag. Now let's switch to List View. To show deal tags, click Edit Columns, click on Deal Tags checkbox, and drag it to your desired position in the column order. Click Apply. Now you can see colored tags as separate column in the table. If you want to hide it, move back to Edit Columns and click the cross near Deal Tags. Now when you know how to set up and use deal tags, you can apply it to your own pipelines. With this feature, your sales reps can easily identify, prioritize, and focus on the most important deals, boosting their productivity. I hope this video was helpful. Drop a comment with your thoughts or questions. Do not forget to subscribe to not miss our new videos. Thanks for watching.